Good. Good. Now ask him to trot and keep him on the bit. Same circle. Ask him to trot. Ask him to trot. On the bit. On the bit. Rounder. Good. Rounder. Come on. Left rein lower. Lower the left rein. Good. Now canter. Sit up. Sit up. Good. Now relax your legs. Good. Now ask him to trot. Rounder. 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 Rib cage up. Good. Now canter. Sit up. No. Okay, but you just sat down and drove, right? Just regroup. Keep trotting. Just regroup. Try it again. Rounder first. Not until you're ready. Oh, he's falling in a little. Push him out. Push him out. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Good. Now canter. Good. Sit up. Good. Now back to trot. Very good. Rounder. 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 Hold them together. Come on, hold them together. Good. Now half circle to reverse. Don't pull him around by the right rein. Turn the horse. That's not half circle to reverse. Doesn't matter. Keep going. Make him rounder. Back on the same circle to the left now. He's falling in, Janet. Bend him left. You're not going to canter until you've got it worked out this direction. Left leg, push him out. Push him out. Good. Push him out. Right arm stays connected to your side. Not to the rail. Don't let him go to the rail. Do not let him go to the rail. Sit back. He's falling in. He's falling in. Sit back. Don't yank on him. Sit back. Right shoulder has to stay back. Right shoulder has to stay back. Left leg every time you sit. No, he's falling in. You're trying to bend him, Janet, by pulling the rein across his neck. Open up your left shoulder. Hands low. You're doing this, Janet. Look, you're pulling this way. You can't bend him that way. Bend him this way. Out. It's because you're crooked. You can do it. Don't pull towards your middle. Good, now left leg. Yield him out right now. From there, left leg. Kick him. Yield him out. Yield him out. Sit on your left seat bone, though. Don't fall right. Good. Now back to the trot. Sit back. Look how forward you are. He's way above the bit because you're pulling backwards on his mouth. Sit down on the left. There you go. Your left rein's almost too short, Janet. You keep pulling it across the middle. Stop doing that. You make it worse. Put your left hand low. Put your left shoulder back. This is his harder direction anyway, okay? So don't worry about it. Now put them together on the bit. Put them together. Left leg. There. Good, now trot. Good. Don't lean left. Sit on your butt. Just yield him out a little here. Don't make it such a big thing. Just yield him out. Stop hanging on the left side of his mouth. It would help. Good. Now canter. Look where you're going. Look where you're going. Good. Don't hit him with the whip. Look where you're going. Just turn your belt buckle, Janet. Turn the horse. Good. Now turn him to me. There you go. Good. Now trot. Very good. That was much better. Now rebalance him and push him out. There you go. Good job. Stay down on the left. You're starting to, your hips are going a little right now. Push him out. Very good. Very good. Push him out. There you go. Don't look down and to the right so much. It makes your crooked problem even worse. Now canter. Sit up. Good. Now turn the horse. There you go. When you turn your waistband, you don't have any problem. Sit back. Good. Now ask him to trot. Push him out. Keep turning your waistband. Right rein close to his neck. Very good, Janet. Much better. Very good. Left. Push him out. Come on, push him out. Good. And walk. Good.